Now we cook a dandelion jam. I'll show you how to make a dandelion jam. First of all, it is necessary to pick a lot of dandelions and pluck all petals from the flower head. This is a very tedious job, but meditative. For 3 to 4 small glasses, you need about 3 to 4 handfuls of dandelion flowers, 2 to 3 lemons, 500 milliliter water and a gelling agent. I prefer agar-agar. But now we go. First, I put the water in the pot. And then I add the petals. 3 to 4 handfuls of dandelion flowers. The more, the better. Then I mix them and give the cooking lid on the pot. Now I let the mixture boil up. The whole I let now simmer for a good hour and boil it down. Now the sugar is added and I stir well now. Then I add the lemons. Of course, the lemons can also be squeezed out and then added. Again, let the mixture simmer well and then remove the dandelion flowers and lemon remnants. If you want, you can also leave the mixture overnight and fill it out the next day and process it into jam. Then it tastes even more intense. Some also like it when the petals stay in the jam and are poured before adding the gelling agent. I decided today for a dandelion jam without petals. So now I remove all the flower parts and lemon remnants. Now I stir the gelling agent agar-agar in cold water. And then I'm going to add it. Then the whole thing is boiled again vigorously. And afterwards, I test the gelling test. When it's positively, I fill the dandelion jam into glasses. Dandelion jam is ready. The dandelion is widespread, wheat and accessible to everyone. It also means that the dandelion is so common and apparently not to get out of the garden is due to the fact that people need it so much. Often the stress and the overeaten food hit us on the stomach in the present time. Overstrains the liver and the dandelion comes into play. It helps detoxify the body and gets the organs involved in digestion going. For this reason, dandelion tea, dandelion salad and dandelion root tincture for digestive complaints such as flatulence and fullness. Dandelion can also be described as a superfood. Dandelion also supplies vital and mineral substances. For example, a salad, it donates about 40 times as much vitamin A as lettuce. But beware, due to its very strong diuretic effect, not too much dandelion tea should be drunk before going to bed. So the dandelion is called in French pissenlit, so bedspread flower. So now I also have filled the last jar of jam, and I wish you much fun by cooking dandelion jam.